In this video, I'm going to show you how to find new near meme coins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into Dexscreener, right? On the near tab, you're going to click on the new page for you to be able to see the new page that has been launched, right? So if I click for the past 7 days, let me know if there has been any. Okay, a meme coin has been launched in the last 1 hour, right? So this 3 days ago, 6 days, 2 days ago. So if you click on the newest, you'll be able to see the new meme coins that has been launched, right? So this is how you can find newly launched meme coins on the near chain. There is the near blockchain. And that's when I find this video helpful. Please share those below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.